Hello, my name is Peyman Tahiri, remote sensing master student from University of Tehran. I got informed about NeMDa Workshop by my master, Dr. Arefi, and I'm expecting to see some students from other countries and other cities and to see how they see urban-related problems and how they overcome it with what kind of methods and what kind of data sets. And it was pretty good. I heard some insightful comments and ideas about how to overcome urban-related problems and my thesis, and it helped me really about my thesis.
Everyone, my name is Sebastián Ojeda. I'm from Colombia. I am a master student in the master program of photogrammetry and geoinformatics at Stuttgart. So through my remote sensing studio with Professor Han, I realized that there was this workshop, this NeMDa workshop. So I was very interested coming here. And when I was here, I met some guys from some other universities and with a very interesting topics, with a very nice knowledge, and I'm very happy to be here. I learn a lot, and I hope that these topics can help in our environmental development of our cities.